Hi, I'm going to give you a quick demo of how our new trading interface works. So I'm on the questions page and I'm going to go ahead and click on a question. And as you can see, this is now reduced to a single step. So instead of walking through a multi-step process, we've just given you this simple graphic to interact with. So I'm being told here that the current prediction is 50%, and I'm being asked, should this be lower or higher? So now I can click on any one of these options to express my opinion, and the more I move to the right, the higher I'm saying I think the prediction should be. The more I move to the left, the lower it should be. So since this question is about the Bears beating the Packers and this company, Inkling, is in Chicago, we're going to move the prediction way higher. And so when I click on that, you can see what impact I'm having on the chances. I see how much money I have available right now, how much I'm spending to make this prediction, and then how much I'm going to have after I make the prediction. I can also, as before, type in a reason why I think this, and then I can go ahead and submit my prediction. So let's take a look at another example of a multiple choice question. So this question is asking about who's going to win the Central Division in 2011 in baseball. And again, because we love our Chicago Cubs as much as it pains us, we're going to click on the Cubs, and I'm presented with this same interface where I can say higher or lower. And because it's the Cubs, I'm not going to say way high this time. I'm just going to say it's slightly higher. So right with this, I'm changing the chances to 17%. And again, I'm given some information about how much money I have and how much money I'm spending to make this prediction. I can also again say why I think this and go ahead and submit my prediction. So let's look at one final example where we're predicting a numeric value. So here we're saying the current prediction of iPads sold in 2011 is 14.51 million. And if I think it's higher, then I can go this way. If I think it's lower, I can go this way. Let's say that it's slightly lower. So when I click on that, I'm changing the value to 14.48 million. And I can say why. I'm given some information about how much I'll have after my trade. And then I can go ahead and submit my prediction. Now, one thing that we've done that I think a lot of power users will like is we've introduced an advanced trading screen. So instead of this very simple interface, more power users can click on the advanced mode, and they're given a more classic buy and sell interface where they can buy any number of shares they want or sell any number of shares they want. And so if I click on buy, I can type in the number of shares, and this is recalculated, and I'm told what impact I'm going to have, what I'm going to change, what the price changes to, how much I'll have how much I have available now, how much I'm spending, and then how much I'm going to have available after. And also there's language about shares. So on the simple interface, we don't talk about shares, we don't talk about the price of the stock, but here there's more transparency and you see more of that information. I can still type in why I think that way and place the trade. Or if I come here and I decide, this is a little too difficult for me, I can always go back to the simple mode and I'm presented with the same interface that we saw before. Now, one final thing that we've done to provide more consistency in the interface is the quick trade now uses the same interface as the regular trading. So when I'm in quick trade, I see my familiar graphic, I can select an option, and then submit my prediction, or I can get to the advanced mode that I just showed by clicking here. Right from quick trade, I can use the advanced mode. One thing we've also done is once you've selected the advanced mode, it will stay in the advanced mode until you want to go back to simple mode. So for those power users, you don't have to click advanced mode each time. It will remember that you've clicked advanced mode and give you the advanced interface each time. So that's the new trading. We hope everyone likes it. We think it's a lot simpler. We've been using it ourselves now for the past several weeks and have really been excited about it. If you have any questions for us or want to send any comments or concerns, you can email us at support@InklingMarkets.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.